No, still bad?
We can work with it though. I mean, it's okay. Just
I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to do.
okay.
Hold on, let me see. How's that? Is that
No, it's the same. If you connect to the audio, it's gonna, oh, okay, you fixed it. We can go with it. Just go ahead. It's not an echo, so I guess that's good.
it's always Zoom something. All right, you ready?
Judge, we're waiting on the interpreter for the one, and the other ones have attorneys in it.
Okay, so let's help Sean then.
I need to for everything.
Okay. So,
All right,
Sean.
Sean, you ready? You're up as it is. Hey man, can you get a hold of someone? It's like birds. It's like being in the beach in here.
Yes, Ramona was calling about it.
I'm gonna email it too.
So.
All right, let's roll, nerds. Tell me, Sean, what you got?
Okay, so Mr. Coates, T-Raz came back. It does recommend him for YMAC.
Wonderful.
Which is great. Of course, my concern is always, of course, that a year county is less time than YMAC to complete the program. He's very interested in keeping his record clean at least.
This is the way.
Yeah.
This is the way. Come on, you didn't watch Mando?
Oh, I did.
And it's May 4th too.
Yeah.
This is the way.
He wants me to push the extension with the GPS monitor.
We did that.
I
We've
told
done
him that
all
we were
that.
probably past that point.
You want me to talk to him?
Welcome to.
I mean, it's up to you.
Probably a good idea with him because he's probably just gonna ask and ask and ask. So, yeah, if we could bring him out.
Bring it out, Mr. Coates, please.
This is how he's going to be generally sure.
You said Kyle? Hi, Kyle. Nice to meet you. How are you?
I just kind of, I was like locked in and now. I get it now. Yesterday. And he has like a whole. What do you call it? Super soakers. Rolls and he popped up. I was like, oh yeah, that's great. Oh yeah.
How about the Rockets last night, huh?
Yeah. I was too locked into the hockey last night so I missed most of it. So it was a
Oh, you
two
didn't miss
minute
much.
in hockey, 2 minutes left in the game, pulled their goalie, scored a goal, and then scored another one with 1.6 seconds left of game 7. Of course, went to double overtime and Winnipeg won. So the team that had to come back. So I was thrilled as a just fan of the game and not liking either of those teams.
Yeah, I think.
Apparently, that's what they say.
Morning, Mr. Coates.
Good morning, sir.
No. Else's fault, but yours. And you try to blame it on, I ain't got a ride, I got this person, that person not helping me out. And so now we have to resort to more drastic measures to try to get you on our side. And I think that this is it.
Yes, sir. Just
After this, I really don't have much more than just jail. And I'm trying to get you out and I'm trying to get you to understand and learn and be a better person by giving you the tools.
yes, sir. That's understandable.
That's
But
all, right?
Your Honor, if I may,
Sure.
like again, like I understand how I was saying it. Like last week when I came, it did sound like I was blaming everybody else. Yes, it's docketed down. Like I have reasoning to most of those lates. The days that I didn't show, there's reasonings. Like there's reasonings to that, and it's not BS reasonings. You know what I mean? Like, and I understand. Like it's no trust. It's not trusted that if I go home today, I'm not gonna show up. I'm way closer to this side of town now. I'm not all the way out there in Katy. I was all the way out there in A-Leaf. It was further as a bus ride to get out here. And yes, there was nobody to bring me, like nothing. Like I understand, like it's all on me. I can't blame nobody else but myself because if I really wanted it done, I should have brought myself down here and got it done. Yes, sir, that's understandable. And I take my accountability for that. But I'm way closer. I have like a lot of good things going for me right now. Like I have a good job, a good paying job. All it takes is for me to call in to work, sir. Like literally all it takes for me to call in to work. It's a 30, 45-minute bus ride to get here. There's nothing for me to miss. Like nothing. Like I understand there's no chances that wants to be given. All I'm asking is just one. I missed that. It'd be just a year.
And here's the rub. He didn't even show up one time, right? You didn't even show up one time to your probation. That tells me that you just don't give a flip because not even one time did you show up to probation.
Sir, I was kicked
So-
out, sir. I was kicked out.
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Ooh,
It's
the pink elephant. There it goes. Mr. Coates. That was your opportunity. I don't know what's going on in your life. I don't know what's going on with you. So what I do
Don't
is
care.
I have you speak to our clinicians who are best able to tell us how to move forward with this case. They have. And I think that that's the appropriate way.
I haven't even got to speaking to them.
You got what? Is there something else?
I'm just asking for a chance, bro. I messed that chance up. You could sit me down for 25 to life.
That can happen.
Like, bro, like that's all I'm asking for is just a monitor time. Like you can slap that monitor time 5 p.m. if you needed to. Like it's all on me. Like I could make a call in to work and I could show up. I was all the way out there in Katy. I'm not trying to blame nobody else because again, yes, it's all on me. It is my fault. I should have made myself known to come down here. Again, I was kicked out due to a lot of reasonings. There was a lot of things going on in my life, sir. Nothing's going on now. I got everything straight. Like everything is situated. I got a job. All it takes is for me to call in to work, sir. Like this is not something I want to do. This sitting in there is not something I want to do. I don't belong in there. I don't belong in there with them people. I'm not one of these people that just mess up and just want to don't care. I do care.
Okay. We have a program
Herrera?
that has been recommended by the TRAS, by the clinicians.
Sir, I'm gonna be sitting here for 4 to 6 weeks, adding time before going to there.
I'll do my best.
We're going to expedite it to make sure that you get in there quicker, okay? But you have to understand, Mr. Coates, actions have consequences. This is it. I'm trying to intervene in a manner that you don't graduate to the cases that go upstairs. That's all I want, okay? I brought you out here to let you know what's happening now, to amend the conditions.
I'd rather do my jail time, honestly.
Okay.
I don't need that place. I don't need an attitude adjustment. I'm a very respectful person. Y'all just not trying to work with me.
All right. We're going to expedite. If need be, I'll get on the phone and I'll talk to myself. I'm
I'm gonna sit here for another month.
I'm going to work on it for you, Mr. Coates.
Thank you, Judge.
I will. All right. Get on with Shatoria. Get it quickly.
Yes. 2, 5, 2, 1, 6. Judge, are you ready for damage surrender?
Yeah.
All right, page 10. Gutierrez, Benitez. Come on up. Okay.
Más escuché el juez.
You are Mr. Eric
Ustedes, Eric,
Gutierrez Bennett.
yes.
Is it Benitez?
Yes.
So you're
Yes.
charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause.
Ya ves.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 28, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, law enforcement officers were dispatched to a major accident and made contact with a law enforcement officer who stated they had smelled an odor of alcoholic beverage from the defendant. The law enforcement officer made contact with the defendant, and upon opening the defendant's vehicle, he too smelled the strong odor of alcoholic beverage. The defendant stated he was on his way home from the park where he consumed 3 12-ounce beers. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted, a 6 out of 6 on the HGN, a 2 out of 8 on the walk and turn, a 0 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. The defendant consented to provide a breath sample and blew a .142 and a .125.
Right, give you eyes.
Dice,
Your
tiene
Honor.
antecedentes de nuestra señoría.
License.
Licencia de conducir.
Right now.
¿Tienen licencia de conducir?
Judge, the license is open.
Sí. En la licencia.
Gutierrez Benitez, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case.
Caso.
I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you because they sweep it hourly, they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in custody until this case is over with. And then you get shipped off to immigration. You are not to violate any of these conditions, and you're not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. Those are bond conditions of yours as well. Do you understand?
¿Lo entiende? Yes.
Do you have a lawyer today?
¿De abogado hoy?
No, no.
No.
Do you have the ability to hire one?
Yes.
We're going to give you time.
Vamos a dar.
So I will have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. After that, you'll meet with Roxanne for your bond conditions. After that, you'll be free to go. Don't pick up any new cases. Don't be a danger to my city.
Digo, pero cuidado, no sé.
All right, come on. Hey, Will.
Hey.
Happy Monday. What's new? Yeah.
I'm here on Mr. Wenzel, W-E-I-N-Z.
Wayne. What's the deal?
The deal is, so we have an AFM in here, picked up, continuous. You revoked and raised, he made bond, he's fighting both cases, he's here. I don't think we ever redid his bond conditions for him to sign. So we just wanted to knock that out today. We are waiting on felony to indict this case, indict the felony, or no bill, honestly, so we can resolve this AFM. Blaze is here to comment on
So
that.
not at D-Day yet, but you're getting there.
I know.
It's not our fault, sir, here. It's really because our arms in the continuous, we need to see that diagram. I'm gonna email felony, see if they can just expedite.
All right, let's talk about that. Watching in this docket was like watching someone juggle a hammer and a lifeline. Tough on danger, blunt with warnings, but leaving just enough room for people to climb back if they show effort. The morning opened with Marvin Avila Diaz, charged with assaulting a dating partner by punching him multiple times. Officers found dried blood on the victim's face. Fleischer found probable cause, barred Avila from contact with the complainant, and laid it out plain. No weapons, no immigration slip-ups, and no excuses for idleness. You need to either work full-time or be in school full-time. Doing nothing is not going to work, he warned, promising to check back in weeks to see if Avila had a job. It was half judge, half drill sergeant, Ovidio Ypez, caught using fake temporary tags bought off Facebook Marketplace. He admitted to driving twice with the tags, once in March and again days before arrest. Fleischer hammered him. If you don't have a license and insurance, you're not allowed to drive. You drive again, it's really not going to go well for you. He had Ypez swear under oath not to drive, calling it an affidavit. He added the immigration sting. If you're not here with permission, ICE will put a detainer on you and you'll be stuck like Chuck. It was part law, part street lecture. Later, Melchior, pleading guilty to DWI, Fleischer gave him 3 days in jail with 1 day credit, suspended his license for 180 days, and waived the usual $3,000 fee this time. But you pick up another one, get ready. It's a $6,000 fee, he warned. His words carried both finality and a stark roadmap of what comes next if defendants don't change course. With Victor Jesus, things got sharper. He'd skipped getting a GPS monitor despite being ordered to. Fleischer revoked his bond instantly, raising it from $5,000 to $6,001. The message was plain. Court orders aren't optional. I ordered you to get it. You didn't. Now you sit, he told him. Finally, in cases with repeat N, Stephen Davis, Fleischer pointed to history. PR bonds don't work if you keep missing court. Davis's lawyer cited mental health struggles, but Fleischer made the pattern clear. Bonds are chances, not guarantees, and failing to appear turns chances into jail beds. What tied it together was Fleischer's style, his rulings with phrases like stuck like Chuck and not gonna go well for you. But beneath the humor is absolute clarity. Bonds come with strings, warnings come with teeth, and every order is a mix of protection for the public and pressure on defendants to straighten out. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone,